Why you must choose the passive income model. There are many different ways that you can make money online. The model that we have chosen for making $10,000 plus per month after 90 days is a passive income model. A passive income model means that you set up something once and then do a little work to maintain it and earn money passively. Stop trading your time for money. What is the alternative to passive income? Well, it is trading your time for money, known as active income. If you have a job at the moment, then you are trading your time for money. If you are an online freelancer and you write content, design websites, or write code for applications, then you are trading your time for money. We all have the same amount of time each day. With active income, you can only earn as much as the time you're willing to put in. If you are an online freelancer and you can't work for a few days, then you will not earn any money for that period. You cannot gain more time, so your ability to earn more money with an active income model is extremely limited. There are things that you can do to use your time more efficiently and squeeze more productivity out of your time, but these will not increase your earnings by a large margin. Make money while you sleep. When you adopt the passive income model, you can literally make money while you sleep. Imagine spending a few minutes or even a couple of hours on a passive income task and then waking up the next day with hundreds of dollars or more in your bank account. With active income, you are working on a one-on-one basis. There is one employer who pays your wages. You earn money as a freelancer on a customer-by-customer basis. With passive income, you will be connecting with many people at the same time. And for all those that make a purchase, you will make money. While it is easier to earn good money with an active income model faster, in the long run, a passive income model will always have the capacity to overtake regular active income with very little work. Passive income models can bring results pretty fast as well. Passive income models. There are many passive income models. Here are some of the most popular ones. Email marketing. Here you will build a list of email subscribers, normally in exchange for an incentive. You can use the services of an autoresponder to send automatic email sequences out to every subscriber, and you can send a broadcast message to part or all of your list whenever you want. The idea is that you build a relationship with your subscribers so that they trust you. You can then send them promotional offers for your products and services or for other people's affiliate marketing. Create your own product. If you have expertise in a niche and can create a product or a service that will solve a problem for your audience, then this is a good passive income model. There will be some significant work required to create the product and the sales tool that will have to go with it. You can also outsource this work if you prefer. Once your product is ready, you will need to promote it to generate sales. Some niche forums have a marketplace where you can advertise your product. You can also team up with other people in your niche that have an email list and split the sales revenue with them for promoting your product. Write an ebook. This is another form of product creation. You will write an ebook or outsource the writing that solves a problem that your audience has. You will need to research this to ensure that there is sufficient demand for you to make good passive income. Once your ebook is written, you can use digital book platforms to promote it. The most popular of these platforms is Kindle, owned by Amazon. There are self-published authors that have their ebooks on Kindle that make many thousands of dollars every month. Sell physical products on Amazon. Here is another great passive income opportunity to make thousands per month. The Amazon FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon program, allows you to advertise your products on the various Amazon websites. Amazon will charge you for fulfilling the product, but you keep the majority of the sales revenue. This is not as easy as it sounds, and you need to select products that are in demand and not too competitive. You can use a website like Alibaba.com to find suppliers of these products in China and other countries. You just add your brand and sell them via Amazon.